Hello, hello, Melissa Martin here, your cannabis curly. We are on to video challenge number 6 for August, and I did mention that on video 5 that it was going to be the last social media training, but it got long-winded, and so this indeed will be the last Facebook challenge slash training for the month. And we're going to move on to belly to belly after this. So hopefully everybody has their business cards with them and ordered. I just got out of the bath, so my hair is kind of crazy. What's up, Anna Maria? She's joining me live. I am now recording, so I apologize if I don't say hi. Let me mute all here. Cool. Okay, so today we're going to talk about Facebook Smart Lists and how we can use them. So we'll talk about how to make them and how to use them. So I'm going to go ahead and get right to it and share my screen. This is my Facebook screen. Facebook Smart Lists need to be created from a computer. And so what I suggest doing is getting on a desktop version of Facebook first. And so I'm going to give you some examples here. Okay, so this is my grandma. Let's just say she wasn't my grandma. What I can do, I can create a smart list in any certain way. I can hover over her name and select where it says friends, and I can hit add to another list. And what I'm going to show you here is, okay, so hold on, let's try this. Okay, friends, hover over, add to another list. Now, Facebook creates smart lists for you automatically. It's a little bit touchy. Okay, so they create a lot of these for you automatically. So for example, if you've worked for a certain company, that will be created. Any of these with the lightning bolts were already created. I worked for Raglan Road. I went to Canyon Del Oro High School. So other people that have those similar things selected on Facebook will automatically end up in that smart list. The idea is to organize your friends list here. Okay, and so Facebook automatically organized some of them, like for example, Tucson, Arizona. Okay, I also lived in Vail, Arizona, and I also lived in Orlando, Florida. So certain people will automatically, Facebook creates these ones with the lightning bolt on it. Okay, now the next ones that you can personally create can be anything. So what you'll notice is I have things like business page. These are people I've friended that have like interacted on my business page. CBD interest. Anytime someone's like, oh, hey, I'm interested in CBD, I throw them in there. Now, another thing I could do is create like my affiliates. I could create a smart list for that. So, oops. So if I hover over, go here, and I'm gonna create new lists. So this is where you all are gonna probably get started. And I might say my affiliates, okay? And then hit enter, and you'll see it puts a check mark there, and it adds her to this list. Okay, so certain lists that I recommend creating, you might want a pen and pencil for this, are my affiliates, CBD interest, like this one here, or you could just put potential on there, whatever you want to put. I have a Canna customer, so my people that have already purchased. Close sidelines, like people that I want to stay in contact with and check out their posts and get inspiration from. Some of these lists need to be cleaned up. Dream team. These are people that when I friend them on Facebook, like I want them on my team. Maybe these are people I friended through other friends. People I met on Instagram that I now have on Facebook. International, so my Nigerian people, my Ireland people, my UK people, stuff like that. So I'll put them all in there. And again, I need to clean this up a little bit, but those are the ones I probably recommend starting with. I have another one that says other, what does it say? Other and network marketing, other NM. So anybody else who's already in a network marketing business, I'll throw them in there. And I kind of like to keep a close watch on those guys because they usually aren't so happy with their businesses, whether it be coaching or the products or the opportunity or the comp plan. And so I have learned, I'm slowly building up other network marketing people that do really well for that when their company goes under or they're not happy anymore, I can bring them into our business. So these are just some different lists that I have. Now, how can we actually use these lists? I'm going to show you some examples. Events. Currently, next week I have an event over at a candy shop. So I can go to where I'm hosting and I can go candy and CBD. And what I can do is share in Messenger, and I can say, I'm going to open up another one. I can say, hello, I wanted to let you know we are doing a CBD info event with some giveaways next Wednesday if you're available to come. Friends and family are also welcome. BOGO Froyo with the coupon on the event page here. Okay, so see that? That's what I'm going to type. I'm going to share this in Messenger. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open another Facebook tab. Excuse me. God. And I'm going to go back to hosting. I'm going to go back to this candy and CBD. So every month I host a local event, information event, and we've got flyers, we cold call, and we're like, hey, if you want to come learn about CBD, maybe win some for free, come on out. I have my team invite their potentials, and then that way they don't have to know everything. I can help them. My seasoned people, I am starting to have them help present so they can get some practice in presenting. So what I did here is hit share, and I'm going to hit invite friends. Over here, I can pull up a smart list. So I can go to more, I can go to either my Tucson, Arizona people, or I can go to my CBD interest people. And I can now type these people's names in. So I know Renee Felix is local. So maybe I type Renee on this other tab and hit send. Oh, okay, shoot. Something went wrong. Invite friends. Oops. Let's try share in Messenger. Maybe. Something went wrong. It's not always perfect. There we go. Hello. We are doing a local CBD event this weekend, or this upcoming Wednesday. If you can make it. Wednesday with info and giveaways. The candy shop is also offering BOGO Froyo if you want to bring any friends or family. Hope to see you there. Okay, so I can now put Renee. Okay, so that's not working. Normally it works, so just so you know. The other thing I can do, like I said, is hit invite friends. I can now go to more. I can go to Tucson, Arizona, and I can start clicking and inviting these people. So Brian Knight, Renee Felix, Brianna Cleary, these are all people I know are interested. Christina. So these are my team, and they still haven't said yes, even though I've got a team chat that reminds them, which is kind of disappointing, but hey, discipline your disappointment, right? Oh, Briar Rose said she might be interested in CBD. Oh my goodness. So again, I can now click through and invite people from this particular, and I'll do more of these later, but now you see how this smart list helps. Another thing you can do with smart lists is you can go home, and right here where it says newsfeed, you can hit edit preferences. I think you can still do this. And no, it doesn't let you do that. Newsfeed, I can go to most recent. Okay, the other thing I can do is post to just a smart list. I could say any customer who orders, any existing customer who reorders this month is entered to win a free bath bomb. Holler if you need your username information. I'm not going to actually post this. Normally I would post a picture with it or whatever, but now what I can do is see where it says newsfeed, where it says public. I can actually click here, go down to more, see all, and I can only specific friends. I can actually select a smart list to post to. It's going to take forever because I'm trying to share with you all. So let me try. So you can always change this to a specific smart list, like for example, my existing customers. And now more of them are going to see that. And list custom, there it is. So I could say share with customer, no, what did I put? Canna customers. And then I can save that change, and then I can post. And anybody in the Canna customer smart list will get added in there. So just a few little hacks. So my suggestion and challenge for you today is to create a CBD interest smart list, create an affiliate smart list, and any others that you think would help you in your business. Maybe like met at a vendor event, or international would be another really good one to start off with. And as I'm going through and wishing people happy birthday, leave this page, that's how I organize my people. And Dream Team would be another really good one. So if I want everyone in my Dream Team list to see my income and how good I've done, I can post to just that list, okay? So there's so many different uses for Facebook smart lists on events. Again, we did the posting. We've been doing that, we do the weekly events for Rockstar, and a lot of the times I'll share and invite friends, and then I'll go to the CBD interest, and you can even select all and invite them all at once. Like, how awesome is that? Now this is a little impersonal. I suggest sending like a private message. That's why I like the message feature, but there's so many awesome uses to Facebook smart lists to help keep you organized. So the second somebody shows me they're interested, I add them to that CBD interest smart list. If I say happy birthday to them and I'm like, oh my gosh, this person would be so good in this business, that's when I'll add them to my Dream Team list. So on and so forth. So don't feel like you have to get your entire list organized now. Just slowly as you work through people, check to see if you've already added them to any sort of a smart list and go from there, okay? So that's my challenge for you today in creating those smart lists. I'm trying to think of what are some other cool things you can do with smart lists. If I think of anything, I will let you know, but there's a lot of really cool ideas that you can Google, like what is the benefit of Facebook smart lists? And they can kind of give you some additional ideas from there. So challenge today, create your smart lists, share with our group, if you're in our August challenge group, the different smart lists that you created. That is your accountability piece. And I hope this has helped everybody, and I will talk to you all later. Have a fantastic week.